Where's the R?
2.5-year-old Mira couldn't be getting a better start for life as a reader.
Next to the I.
She can already name most of the letters of the alphabet.
And then finally A. Where's the A?
When it's time to become a reader, she'll have less to learn because of the head start her parents are giving her.
Mira.
Yeah, good job. Give me 5. Good job.
Look, Mira, melons. M for melons and N for Mira. Look, we have melons in our list.
Mira's mother does what reading researchers recommend. She finds opportunities to point out print and how it's used.
Look, Mira, C for cucumbers.
Mira is learning that signs are different from shopping lists,
Sweetie, peppers. Let's get some peppers.
which are different from stories. Mira is also discovering that all of these kinds of writing are made up of words, which in turn are made up of letters.
C for cauliflower. M for mushrooms.
When Mira starts learning to read, she'll already know a lot about print,
Mushrooms in our list. Which mushroom
much
do you
more
want?
than
You
she
want the
knows
brown
about
or the white or
self-control.
I want some of this.
Mira is getting such a rich exposure to books in print, it's clear she can't wait to read on her own. In fact, like many children, Mira pretends to read.
Make a with rocks.
Her play reading reveals that she already knows how books work. This knowledge comes from watching her parents read to her, and that's something they do every day. Every evening after dinner, Mira's parents switch off the phone and television for reading time. It's Mira's favorite part of the day.
Eat a good breakfast.
Mmm.
And don't forget to wash the dishes, dear.
Mmm.
More is going on here than meets the eye. From her mother's moving finger, Mira learns that the print tells her mother what to say. She doesn't just make up a story based on the pictures. The details that Mira and her 2-month-old brother Vijay are picking up are certainly important. But the most vital lesson this evening may be the simplest. Reading is a pleasure.
Why is he going? I think it's with the brother, Mommy.
His mommy and daddy want him to go and get his little brother.
The single most important thing that a parent can do to help a child learn to read is to transmit a love of reading to their children. Let them see you reading as a parent. Let them see that you enjoy and love print. And I say this to parents, even if you are not a reader yourself, you can still communicate to your children that books matter.
Vijay can't yet follow the twists and turns of the plot, but he is paying attention to his mother's voice,
Try to stay out of trouble.
tuning his brain to the elementary speech sounds that make up English. He's already laying the foundations for becoming a reader.
And we'll be home soon.
Tenait dans son bec un fromage. Maître Renard, par l'odeur alléchée, lui tint à peu près ce langage.
静夜思，李白。床前明月光，疑是地上霜。举头望明月。
The human voice can produce at least 150 different speech sounds or phonemes. English uses only 40 or so of these sounds.
Tint